Check it out, guys. I was just running down and it's just cleared up. There's that small lake and there's the large lake over there, and then that's where we were stood before with the wind coming up. But the whole place is just opened up. It looks absolutely gorgeous from where I'm at. The valley! Oh, carry on running. Bear Grylls styling. Oh, shit, man. Whoa. Bit of a jump. Okay, now. Snow is running. Go down the ranger's path. Keep the sun bench there. Watch the rocks, people. Good jump. Share this game. I'll catch you with you later.